Hi again, YouTube. This is Gary, and I have a short little video I want to do on something that probably affects a lot of 8-scale racers and they don't even know it. It's the death rattle. It's when their receiver and their connections and their transponder rattle around in their radio box because they haven't put in padding or haven't put in enough padding to make sure that their gear isn't bouncing around in their car as they're driving around the track, because that'll break wires. It'll break solder joints on your batteries and your receiver pack. It might even break the crystal in your receiver, and you'll have to go buy a new one. So anyway, let's start with the battery up there, because that rattles around. It's very heavy and it rattles around a lot. What do we got here? Just no. How about that? Make it so it doesn't bounce around. Back and forth or side to side. You can even get fancy and cut them to fit in your cover like that and glue it in, say. So you would tend to not lose it or have it fall out of your car when you're changing batteries or charging batteries or doing whatever. That solid. So yeah, you can get foam, from your pit mat or from your cell phone or from a servo box or whatever it is that you buy. It might come with, maybe computer parts or anything. You can get foam all over the place. And it's, if you don't have foam laying around, it's cheap to go buy. So anyway, so that will just make it so that in the middle of your race, your receiver and your receiver pack and your transponder aren't getting bounced around, and you'll get a good race experience. I'm going to have to address all this action here at some point. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching.